All right, everybody. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are in the world watching this right here, right now. Happy New Year's on the Gregorian calendar to all of you blessed, benevolent, and special souls. Welcome back to the Crypto Bliss Spotlight Show, the first show of 2024. It is going to be jam-packed with a bit of news and lots more trading. We're going to see if we're going to maneuver a couple of our trades together. We're going to see where we're at and what we're going to do. So thank you for being here with me once again on the Crypto Bliss Show, and many beautiful blessings to you all. Happy New Year's, and I hope you and your family have had a blessed and wonderful and festive time so far. And I hope you have been sneakily sneaking off to watch some of my content, because my content has been bringing you guys some crazy, beautiful stuff over the past couple of weeks. So thank you for being here with me. I truly appreciate you, beautiful, blessed souls. Welcome back. And guys, today we are going to delve into quite a few things. Why 2024, I am seriously bullish with crypto exploding, tsunamis coming in, coming soon. Warning, do not miss out on these pumps, because gifts are being given in the space, guys. You do not want to miss out on these opportunities to make mega massive cash from the massive upcoming bull cycle that we are about to experience. So guys, as you can see, I've been pounding out content for you. So in today's content, we are gonna be doing some awesome stuff. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. In the meantime, while we kickstart this video off, and of course, make sure you guys have your Bybit and Bitflex links signed up, used in the pinned in the comments of this live session video for you. Go check that out somewhere, I think, on the side screen here for you guys. Make sure not to miss out on that, because guys, we are bringing some crazy stuff to you guys, and you guys can get some incredible bonuses using Bybit and Bitflex. So go ahead, use those links now. And in the meantime, as you know, 2023 was an incredible year for crypto and Bitcoin. I must say so myself. I saw some crazy gains, massive profits in the market that I have. And it's just the beginning, because, guys, we are about to see a huge, huge, huge explosion come into the crypto space this year. And we are going to have a look at some of that information now that is going to tell us a little bit more about why, what, and when. And how to prepare for the next steps, because now we need to be preparing for considering where we would like to go take profits and how much profits we will be taking on each one of those cryptos. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel and subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be publishing a lot of videos and a lot of content like that this year, where we will look at where we're going to take some profits, and I will do some of that with you guys, and I will take some profits on certain coins as we kind of head on through the bull cycle and the bull season. Now, guys, I'm not going to do it too early, but I am going to start planning, and I'm going to share with you guys how to do that plan. So make sure to stay tuned, because we have tons to give you guys. The Morales money bubbles today are pretty decent, and I'm going to claim my beans while I'm there. Right there, I've now hit 20,000 beans. That's cool. So guys, there is a bit of blood on the streets today. You know, I was up quite late. I was up until 2 a.m. last night, and just celebrating with my family. And then I ended up just sitting and having a nice, delicious mesquite coffee with my beautiful love, kind of chilling and just talking, catching up, and
preparing ourselves for the embracement of the abundance that we are about to receive for this wonderful year ahead. So I hope you guys have been doing the same. Filecoin is up 15%, Say is up 16%, GRT is up 10%. There is a bit of blood on the streets. There's more blood on the streets than there is profits on the streets today, of course. And that's interesting because today is the first day of the new Gregorian calendar year. So, you know, maybe we're going to see a bit of blood in the streets, but yeah, blood in the streets. But let's go and see what the cryptocurrency market cap is at the moment, because the cryptocurrency market cap this morning was pretty much sitting stable. Nobody's doing anything. Nothing is really open on these days, guys. And look at this. I did a Tectum video for you guys 2 days ago. If you guys were subscribed to my channel, in fact, yesterday, actually, I published it. You guys, I said you're going to get mega, mega rich with this coin, and it will make millionaires super fast. And there's 1K views on that video so far. And guys, look at this. Tectum is up 15% once again today. Say is up 14% once again today. Saitama is up 54%, guys. I've got things that are continuing to pump in the market while people are like just sleeping, taking it chilled. Today I actually spent quite a bit of time in the garden with my dogs, and I was doing some gardening in the garden. It was peaceful and grounding and just quiet and just full of energy. My hands are very, very nice and worked now. I'm a little bit tired, but I had a nice cold shower and I'm fresh after that. And I enjoyed spending time there with my family. It was wonderful. And yeah, I guess everything was just as beautiful as it could be. So I hope you guys enjoyed that too. But so happy New Year's, of course, once again to all of you. Bitcoin is up 0.3% for the day on the first day of the year today, and Ethereum's up 0.3% also, and BNB is down 2%, Solana's up 2.9%, Lido is up 0.1%, XRP is down 0.2%, Cardano's up 0.2%, and Avalanche is up 0.8%, guys. So, pretty chilled on the blue chip coins. We are currently up 0.1% in the market cap, and we are sitting at about $1.748 trillion in the market cap, and we're sitting at about 59 billion in terms of trading volume. Not too bad. And for the first day of the year, we have 65 on the Fear and Greed Index here as a greedometer. I like that name. Yeah, anybody out there, if that doesn't exist, you can use it. All right, so guys, just drawing back here to the Morales money bubbles, you can see that some of the coins that I've been talking about recently have been flowing nicely, okay? And we are still in a couple trades. We're going to have a little bit of a look at that a little bit in a moment. So let's go and see some of the news. In the meantime, the BTC price targets 42K in 2023 close as Bitcoin OG says ETF not priced in, okay? So this is very, very cool. I do like this. And yes, I do agree that the Bitcoin tracked 42,500 into the 23 yearly close as traders began to see interesting BTC price behavior. Okay, so post ETF BTC price drop targets include 36,000. So I also do think that there will be a little bit of a drop after the pump when the ETF is launched, but ETF approval spikes us to about 50K-ish. Then depending on how long it takes for the ETFs to launch, it will start selling off, maybe to low 40K-ish. If it takes a month before they launch, don't see us go below 38K, he told his ex-subscribers. So this is Crypto Chase. Okay? And basically, after that, a steady rise like a normal Bitcoin bull market, passing 70K in April to May, with some stalling in the summer, and then the end of the year at around 100 to 120K. I like that. And then 2025, I still think that we are going to see the 285 to 300K price. So the spot Bitcoin ETF continued to prove divisive, to be a divisive topic. Adam Back, CEO of blockchain startup Blockstream, repeatedly argued that it was not priced into the market. So I agree with Adam Back. The ETFs are not priced in. And, at current levels, we're seeing Bitcoin do some crazy stuff, guys. So BTC Coinbase spot. Those bids around 40K have now been moved up above the 41K 400 BTC bid. Things are getting interesting now. Okay, so you guys can see that, really, I think things are happening out there in the market that we need to be very, very much aware of. So let's go and take a look at some of the other news. So Daily Hodl, and the Daily Hodl basically says that 80K Bitcoin is incoming based on history, according to Coin Bureau's Guy Turner. So this is according to Guy Turner from Coin Bureau, and I'm sure you guys all know them. So shout out to Guy Turner and Coin Bureau. Here's when it could happen. Okay, so BTC will hit a new all-time high in 2024. We believe that this will happen regardless whether a spot ETF is approved or not. And that's simply because BTC has had a history of surpassing its previous all-time high roughly 1 year before its cycle high. Roughly 1 year before its cycle high. In late 2016, BTC surpassed its 23 cycle high of around 1,000 in late 27, and in late 2017, it hit a new cycle high of almost 20,000. In late 2020, BTC surpassed 2017 high, and in late 21, BTC hit a cycle high of almost 70. It appears that 2024 will be the analogous to 2016 and 2020. So this is delicious. If this does indeed play out, then it foreshadows a cycle high for BTC sometime in late 2025. We believe that BTC will hit a high of between 130 and 180,000. This is likewise based on BTC's previous cycles, which have seen diminishing returns. So guys, all things equal, maybe diminishing returns happen, but there is a lot more to say that these ETFs and what capital and liquidity that they will bring into the space. And this is according to billionaire Mike Novogratz, that this is the most bullish underpinning of Bitcoin besides store of value and use case. Okay, so what I think people miss, and I talked about this a lot in 2017 when we had our first mania, is that crypto was finally the first ever global speculative mania we ever had a global market. We never had a global market. So crypto is global. And just like I'm telling the Bitcoin story on CNBC and Bloomberg and on podcasts here in New York, there's someone in a village in Indonesia telling that story, and the viral nature of 8 billion people getting more converts every day is really hard to stop. So the other piece of this Bitcoin exists within a movement. You can call it crypto or decentralization, and that movement touches people in a way because it feels like it's a revolution. It's a revolution of saying, I want to cut out the middleman. I want to trust myself. I want to have peer-to-peer transaction, and I want to have more efficiency and equal access. If you guys like that and you're enjoying this, make sure you guys are smashing the thumbs up on the video there so far. I'm so far enjoying this very, very much so, but I want to fly through the news now because I want to get onto some trading with you guys like I promised you I would do on the first day of the year. So Bitcoin is trading for that price at the time of writing it. So a top analyst predicts a new all-time highs for DeFi altcoin, says layer 1 coins are heating up. So Injective has been something I've been trying to get in for a while, but it just keeps going up. It finally had almost a 25% dip, and I got a nice 4-hour confirmed bullish divergence here. So this is amazing, guys. We might even end up getting into an Injective if it all looks well. So we'll have a look at that in a moment. But basically, as you can see, so blunts, all the layer ones look like they're heating up again. Sol, AVAX, Say, Sui. Looking closer at Sui, the analyst predicts that the altcoin could surge over 28% from current prices. Sui prepping for the next leg up to $1 and beyond. This is a good dip to long in my position. So I think that's a great idea. I do agree with that. That's 80 cents up to $1.20. I think that's going to happen big time, guys. So, maybe we're going to have a look at some of those trades in a little bit of a moment, but let's go and see some of we're going to follow you, Credible, And cool, we got a nice page there. Okay, guys, but I'm gonna go here because I want to go and check out my Twitter stuff that I've got out for you guys. So this is Trader Party Grade and Book Market. In terms of Bitcoin psychology of market cycle, the year of 23 consists of depression, disbelief, and hope. In 24, there will be optimism and belief. More to come in 2025. So in 2024 is optimism and belief. And look at this. This is pumping. So optimism and belief all happens here. And then 2025 will be the thrill and the euphoria side of things, guys. So much is going to happen here. And I don't think you guys actually understand that right now, we're just at this little tiny point here. We are literally about to run through the bull cycle like crazy. Okay. And according to Stock Money Lizards, this is our personal roadmap for this cycle. The most important key takeaway message is that number one, bullish momentum will continue, driven by mass adoption, ETFs, big institutions buying. Number two, we expect volatility and a possible correction in the mid 30Ks in Q1 2024. We expect volatility and a possible correction in the mid 30Ks in Q1 24. Possibly, yes, I've said that to you guys before too. New all-time highs in 24 after halving driven by mass adoption. Number four, based on past cycles, new all-time high in Q3 to Q4 of 2025. We have taken into account, look guys, I think we're going to see a new all-time high and then based on past cycles, new all-time high in Q3 and Q24. 24. So they've taken into account all of this here, macroeconomic factors as well as recession, inflation. However, this is ultimately not a bad thing for Bitcoin. More and more people see and will see once it's mass adopted BTC as digital gold and an inflation-proof asset that is a store of value, okay, in bad economic times. Therefore, we do not believe that in the current bull run is about to end soon. Many catalysts on the way. We are likely to further boost this bull run. For our own opinion, not financial advice, feel free to begin. So this is according to Stock Money Lizards. This is the all-time high, and as you guys can see here, this was the low. Q1 2024, we have ETF volatility, so a nice pump up there to the 4850K level, and then the pull down maybe into the mid 30s. I agree with that. Then we have this massive pump up to the all-time high, which is about 69,000, 70,000. Then we have a beautiful correction here. Then we have the breakthrough there on Q4 24, new all-time high, breaking through, okay, with a massive, massive pump in, and then weakening momentum. And then Q4 25 is the cycle peak. I have also said to you guys that in October 19th, I think October 19th, I said it was, that would be the peak cycle, which is essentially in Q4 of 2025. And as you guys can see here, according to Stock Money Lizards, we could actually see this cycle get up to about 315K potential. And I've said to you guys, 285 to 300K is my cycle peak. That's what I think we're going to hit after there. But what I do want to show you guys is that will be very interesting, because I've also said that it will probably hit that level. And from there, would probably retrace back down to these all-time highs, about $70,000. That's where I think we would end up at the bear market at Bitcoin next cycle. And guys, at today's price with Bitcoin, you know, Bitcoin is currently sitting, as I said to you guys, at 42,000. Okay, that would be just a little bit over double. Okay, even in the bear cycle as to where we would be today, and in the next bear cycle. So that's very interesting, right? Now, the last thing here is from Bitcoin Archive before we get onto our charts. The Bitcoin cycle is year 3, number go up, keep it simple. So 1 is the bear cycle, 2 is the first candle to the bull cycle, 3 is the second candle, and 4, so 3 years bull cycle, like I've shown you guys plenty times on the channel before. 1 year bear, 3 to 4 year bull. 1 year bear, 3 year bull. 1 year bear, 3 year bull, 1 year bear, 3 year bull. And now this is this number 2 candle was 2023. This current candle is 2024, and then we will see candle 4, which will be candle 2025. So excuse my sniffles, guys. I got a little bit of allergies here, but I would say that this is probably the kind of run. Maybe this is the kind of run that I would expect mostly. Okay, kind of something between these two is what I would say that we would be expecting. So let me know what you guys think about that. But as you can see here from Stock Money Lizards, has the altcoin season already started? The monthly MACD cross just happened, mainly driven by the recent pump due to hype around upcoming ETF applications. Macro has never priced in is never priced in, and we certainly have a different situation in 2020 than 2020. So as you can see here, this is 2018 to 21, and we had this MACD, and we had the MACD monthly crossover here, and this was just after the third halving, and then we had this absolutely cataclysmic, catabolic, crazy cycle run. Right now, we're having the MACD monthly crossover, and we're having it before the halving. This is a very, very, very different bull season and bull cycle, guys. I say that we are going to see absolutely incredibly powerful magic come into the cycle for us, because we are already up like way more than we were up here. Okay, as you guys can see, if you look at the comparison, we're up way more already, and we have not even yet hit that third halving. So yes, I do think that there will be a pullback at some point, and then we will then have this massive continuation of that pump up there, guys. I'd like to know, if you guys are enjoying this, that you guys please subscribe to my channel and make sure you guys are enjoying this by letting me know in the comments below. And if there are some special coins that you guys would like to talk about, let's pick one or two. But I really am going to be focused on building the trades and managing our trades, my current open trades, just so that we can see exactly where it is that we're at this point. So let's go and have a look at the Bitcoin chart in the meantime. Thanks, guys. Sometimes the internet is a little bit slow, so I really appreciate the patience here. Let's just make sure that we are connected. Yes, it is still connected. Okay, there you go. It's coming, guys. Thanks for your patience. Of course, hit my Bybit and Bitflex links down below, because we are going to do some trades, and you guys can get some incredibly awesome, beautiful bonuses for yourselves there in a little moment. So don't miss out on that opportunity, guys. This is beautiful. Look at this amazing pattern forming here, guys. I mean, this is deep and beautiful consolidation. Look at that beautiful triangle pattern, that inverse head and shoulders pattern, finding support here. Absolutely incredible, guys. This is, for me, wonderful. And as I said to you guys, this from here to there is the pump in this little section. So this is the next consolidation area, and then this is the next move up to the upside. So we could even see as high as about 55,000, and that's where I think that we are going to see the ETF will take us up at least another 30%, and then what I see us doing is coming back down like a ton of bricks, guys. I'm just going to say to you guys, a ton of bricks. We are going to come back down to see these levels of about 36 to 38k. I would say 38k would be the level, because that's currently where we really, if I can say that, this purple box here, as you can see, this is a level that we sat under for a while, broke up, and we kind of found support here. So if we break up hard there, that would be a really decent level, especially because this would kind of align up with this level here as well, if I had to just kind of extend it and draw it. But yeah, just as you guys can see, so that would be a very decent support level to pull back from this kind of move. So what that would look like from about that level to there is our average 30% move. So guys, I think 38k is my level. I'm gonna call that's the low. I think that's the low that we will see now for I'm gonna actually say that's the low we will see for 2024. I don't think we will see 38K again for 2024 after we have that depreciation in the ETF asset. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, because Bitcoin does normally do about a 30K move. Oh, sorry, 30% move. So I would say that, that's where we could end up going. So let's go and see. Maybe we can add like a little trading box here. So guys, you can see I'm getting my rectangle. So let's go and see. Maybe we just add a little box at this level so that we know that that